Hi there. In this screencast, we'll look at how we can handle petty cash with Sage 50. So in this scenario, we have an employee that's in charge of all of the petty cash. That's Mark Polson. So what happens is we give him $200 to handle all of the petty cash purchases. Once he spends that $200, we replenish that amount. We top it up so that he still has $200. So first of all, we're going to add Mark Polson as a supplier so that we can pay him. We'll write a check and give him $200, and then we'll take all of his receipts that he turns in and replenish that amount. So I'll go to Payables. I'll create a new supplier, and this is Mark Polson. And he generally pays HST, so I'm going to set up my taxes for HST. Most of the things he buys accrue HST. And then we go and give him that $200 check. So we're going to use make other payment. And that's coming out at 1080. Let's check 299. And there he is there. This is on the 18th. The account is all accounts, petty cash. And we can say set up petty cash for a description, and we're giving him $200. There's no HST on that amount yet, so we're going to say no tax. And invoice, we'll just say the same check number for the invoice reference. So that's how we give him the initial amount that he can use to purchase miscellaneous items. So we'll go ahead and post that. Now, a little bit later, he comes back with a bunch of receipts for the items that he's purchased with that petty cash. So now we'll enter those amounts. So again, it's a make other payment. We're paying him by check. We could actually give him cash if we have some in our box. And again, it's coming out of 1080. Check number is 300. And it's Mark Polson. This is a little while later, 10 days later, from the initial $200 check we gave him. And then I'm going to enter all of the receipts that he's turned in for those miscellaneous purchases. So the first one is $5,200. He bought a birthday card for one of our employees, and they're pretty expensive, $695. HST. So you see, since I chose HST for Mark Polson, that automatically populates, so I don't have to. Saves me a click basically. And I'll go through and add the rest of those receipts, and then give him that check. So I've entered all of those receipts that Mark Polson turned in. I'm just going to say the reference number is the same as the check number, and we are replenishing. The petty cash. So now he has $200 again. And we can go ahead and post. So that is setting up petty cash and replenishing petty cash. Thanks so much for watching.